You know this, I heard that 70% of the people in the world can't do 30 push-ups. And look at that dude right here. 180.
To your club account and available for immediate download on your favorite slot or video poker machine.
Okay, before we go into Casino Royale, let's check and see if anything replaced the pizza place that was shut down. Pizza d'Italiano. Yep, it's still closed. It's still gone. You'd think they would turn that sign off. It costs about $3 a month to run that sign, probably. That's money I could have. Okay, they got Chipotle and Panda Express. Always have to look at the orange chicken.
Okay, all right.
Okay, did you see that orange chicken? That's a no-go. That's not good orange chicken. 90% of the time, it's perfect. But today, no, terrible. Soggy. You can tell orange chicken, it's got to really have a glow coming off of it. It's got to really be crispy on the outside. Soggy orange chicken sucks. Woo, boy, I got knocked down by marijuana out there. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Okay, there's Huff triple puff, Huff and more puff, and regular Huff and puff. We've had enough Huff and puff. Sounds like I'm saying that out loud for the YouTube algorithm. It's not a bad idea. Buffalo. Timberwolf. Still $2. Let's make sure. Yeah, $2. That's probably the best shoot to win in town, really. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I see something. across the way. Something I was expecting, but I didn't want it to happen. It's tragic. Let's go see, make sure. It's very obvious. It's tragic. Let's look. No, I'm not talking about that dog. Dog. I'm talking about that black tape, that black curtain.
You know, be healthy, get to it, stay active. You know this, I heard that 70% of the people in the world can't do 30 push-ups. Now look at that dude right here, running it. Gang, won't fucking around. People laughing when they
We'll
just
reimburse your first $20.
Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. White Castle. White Castle is closed. Locked up.
Added to your club account and available for immediate download on your favorite slot or video poker machine.
Money on my mind, money on my mind, money is all I think of.
Okay, that's a push-up man out there with a really pretty dog. Okay, here it is, White Castle. Down for the count. That's really sad. That's really, really sad. They still got them on the sign. Now, shouldn't they put a piece of tape over that White Castle part? Or take the light bulbs out of the White Castle part? Wow. You know what the bad thing about this White Castle closing is? Why it bothers me. Because you know how many times I've eaten at White Castle since it's been in that location? How many years have it been there? At least 10. I ate there one time. I'm the reason they closed. It's like every time someone is mad about a restaurant leaving their city, and you ask them, "Oh, you ate there a lot?" No, and I just like it. How many times did you eat there? Well, I never ate there. Okay. Well, then shut up. Our fans, that are watching their team from their couch, and they're mad that no one showed up for the game. It's embarrassing because there's only 40,000 in an 80,000 stadium. And then you ask them, when was the last time you went to a game? Oh, it's been 30 years. Okay, well, you're the problem. Because really, White Castle kept their price at $9.99 for 4 sliders, French fries, and a drink. That's really reasonable on the Las Vegas Strip. And truthfully, I'd like to have it right now, but I can't. And the reason I want it is because I can't have it. That's what Five Guys based their success on early. Everybody wanted Five Guys because you couldn't have it. It was only in like Washington, D.C. and weird places for Five Guys. And then they went mainstream, and then most of them went out of business. People started complaining about them. Stinking rich. Oh, that I never saw. Did I remember that wolf walking across the screen like that? I hope he does that again. Wild's added feature. Oh my God, slot machines are so technical these days. How much is a single pizza? I'm thinking it's around $11.49. Yep. Meat lovers is $11.49. A Supreme is $11.99. It's a good pizza. That cost BlackRock. That's private equity. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm mad at them. $3.99 still for the footlong. And there's a combo. Wait, what kind of... Make any dog a combo. Oh, you add $4.49. Come on, man. Oh, man. I was all excited. They also have four tenders for $6.49. They must be really small tenders. It's amazing how chill this is out here, considering what's around the corner. It's very quiet. Whoa, look at the view from Casino Royale at the pool. Oh man, that's gonna be beautiful. That's gonna be beautiful. Let's see what the cost is here. Downtown it was $20. 12. Wow. Where was that? Oh, that was Golden Gate. $20. Casino Royale 12. Boy, that's a big ripoff, Golden Gate. I've decided I won't take up smoking just because of you. I'd like to see a jackpot hit here at Casino Royale. A lot of big ones hit at Venetian. They don't need the publicity. I'd like for one of them to hit here. It's not like it's coming out of their pocket. $3 any beer right here. That man gave her $100. She tried to give it back. This is the only Five Guys with a bar. $12.50 for a cheeseburger, $11.25 for a hamburger. That might be a double hamburger. The cheapest one they've got is a $9.75 cheeseburger. It's a single burger. Ooh, you can get from free nuts while you're waiting. All day breakfast egg sandwich, $9.25. Oh my goodness. Boy, I don't think so. That's not gonna last. How much is a milkshake? Drinks, shakes. $8.50, $7, and $6.99. That's not as bad as I expected. But some people are getting more than that.
Holding on fumes and a borrowed prayer, dust on my boots and dye in my hair, suitcase dreams, $20 in my hand. Mama said that town will chew you up. Daddy said the girl is more than luck. I just kissed the cross and took a stand.